Hi, I'm Colin with Metra Electronics. Today I'm going to talk about a speaker adapter plate. This is a mounting ring for the 2010 and up Chevrolet Camaro front doors. The 823010 comes as a pair. It's designed for all size 6-inch speakers. Basically, people refer to it as an oversized 6.5, 6 3/4, 6.5, 6-inch, all sizes, all types too. There's an additional trimming that comes for some of the smaller, less expensive entry-level type coaxial speakers, different sized baskets on coax speaker versus a component speaker. A component driver with a separate tweeter generally has a larger basket. We've allowed the space for that in this particular mounting ring. Designed just like the factory piece for plenty of depth. The plate actually clips in at the bottom and bolts in at the top, similar to some older speaker plates that we had in the past for Chevrolet vehicles. To complete an installation like this, we also have the 72-5600, typically used in Ford vehicles, now being seen in other cars like this Chevrolet Camaro. So to recap, as a pair for mounting speakers, 6-inch speakers of all kinds in the front doors of a Chevrolet Camaro 2010 and up, the 823010. Thank you very much.